Hi, I'm Joanne Colon, an American English conversation tutor. For today's article, we will look at a word that is difficult to pronounce but easy to understand, and it is onomatopoeia. Don't worry, I will say this word several times, and we, the article, and I will explain this word better in this video. But first, my question is, what are some onomatopoeias in your language? Onomatopoetic word. Onomatopoetic word. Word that copies natural sounds. Boom is an onomatopoetic word. When a native English speaker says the word woof, the pronunciation is similar to the sound the dog makes. But a native Russian speaker would not agree. They would say dogs make the sound gav, gav. A native Korean speaker would say mung, mung. These sounds are expressed differently in different languages because every language uses sound in different ways. The noises animals make are not the only examples of onomatopoetic words. I hope this video was helpful for you today. Back to my question. What are some onomatopoeias or onomatopoetic words in your language? This article gave woof woof, gav gav, mung mung. What other words do you have? Can be an animal sound or can be another sound like an explosion. Boom. I'd be very happy to read your answers. Please write them in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't know, this video is the short of the original video you can find at impruling.com/videos. If you go and you do not find this video, please text me BAM in the comments. This way, I can grant you access to the full video where you can read all the vocabulary, the entire article, as many times as you want, whenever you want. Again, type BAM in the comments for the full video. If you don't know, I am an American English conversation tutor. I help adult and teenage English language learners speak English better and more confidently with less fear and stress. In my sessions, I use many things like articles like this, videos, and audio files to help my clients improve their speaking, listening, pronunciation, and understanding of American culture. My happy clients say I'm easy to talk to and give good corrections. Are you looking for a tutor who can help you speak English better, who can guide you and correct your mistakes, and give you the encouragement to practice and make mistakes so you feel safe, you feel comfortable, you feel okay to make mistakes, knowing this will help you speak better? If yes, I invite you, please book a free 30-minute consultation with me. Again, it is free. There, we can meet and discuss if my methods can help you. I hope to meet you soon and to help you speak English better and more confidently, so confidently that you too can say onomatopoeia like it's nothing. Until then, have a great day.